Katukon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Today is first day of school na jud with students, kaya let's go, get ready with me, fighting! And finally, nandito na tayo sa school at maglalagay na tayo dahil Hadika! 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 Sadika!
8 โมง8 โมง 10 นาทีเต็มหมดแล้วบอก thank you
Thank you.
Sadika! Good morning! Good morning, Teacher Maria, my beautiful Maria. I love you, Mwa. So this is my table. Pax! San ka dyan? Ohayo gozaimasu, Om Sensei. Genki desu ka? O kaki-sama de genki desu ka? Jousu desu ne. Ah, subarashi. Morning teacher Namtan, ohayo. Morning teacher Tay, ohayo. Makeup time. Good morning teacher Jen. Good morning teacher Tango. Good morning teacher Fern. Ni hao. Done with my makeup. Okay. Good morning, ni hao. Morning, Teacher On. Hello, annyeonghaseyo.
เข้าแถวได้เรียบร้อยดีมากเลยค่ะลูกจัดแถวได้ตรงพอครูขอตำหนินักเรียนกลุ่มนี้แต่ก็มีขอให้นักเรียนทุกคนตั้งใจฟังนะคะทั้งหมดนิ่งเรื่องแรกที่จะแจ้งให้ทราบตอนนี้โรงเรียนของเราเนี่ยตรงถ้าใครสแกนหน้าในช่วงตี 5 ถึง 8 นาฬิกาตรงนักเรียนไม่สาย
Hi students, good day. My name is Teacher Junal Haung Turinwaba, or you can call me Teacher Odette. My nickname is Teacher Odette. I came from the Philippines. My nationality is Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I graduated in my bachelor's degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I graduated in Trinidad Municipal College in Poblacion, Trinidad, Bohol. And now, it's your turn to introduce yourself. Activity 1, introducing yourself. Direction, kindly fill in your information. Use your Wisutarangsi notebook or any piece of paper. Write your first name, last name, nickname, class level, class number, student number, date, teacher Odette. That is 20 points. If you're finished, raise your right hand, okay? Don't be shy or don't be scared. May tungkuan may tungay. Be confident. Silence, please. Silence. Babaw noy day may ka. Okay, start. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Number 1, auxiliary. If you want to go to toilet, you can say. If you want to ask questions and clarifications, you can say, Activity 1, introducing myself. Direction, kindly fill in your information.
Class number is my student number is 47724.
Fine, thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Number 10. Activity 1, introducing myself.
47378 Test.
Goodbye and thank you, class. Are all of you here? Good afternoon, class. Take a seat. You're welcome. Gallery number 1.
My first name is Kanapat, last name is Songpan Kochasan. My nickname is Pam. My class level 11, class number 4, student number 20. May 16, 2025, Friday. Teacher Odette.
Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please follow my rules inside the classroom before, during, and after the class.
Nickname Nana, class level 5/13.
Bye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Please sit down. You're welcome. Hi, students. Good day. My name is Teacher Junal Haumturinweva, or you can call me Teacher Odette as my nickname. Number 4. 20 points. Start now.
5/7, my class number is.
Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. See you next week. Teacher Ming, goodbye teacher Namtan, goodbye teacher Ohayo gozaimasu. Matane. Sayonara. Sayonara. Matane, Choy. Matane. Hi, Teacher Maria.